We're here in Brisbane. We have a 4 hours layover here. Dahil delay yung flight namin ng 2.5 hours. So, dapat 7 hours yung ano namin dito sa layover. So, ngayon nabawasan ng konti. Wala pa kaming gate, kaya tingin-tingin lang. Dito tayo sa airport ng Brisbane. We're here in New Zealand. May si ate. Hindi, okay lang. We're here in New Zealand. Duty free. Yeah. We already arrived in Auckland. We're here. We already here sa room. Ito yung pagpasok sa aming room. Oh, ano, Diyos, ganun pa rin ako. Matigas pa rin yung ulo. Nagdala pa rin ako ng shampoo and conditioner. Para sure lang. Oh, pwedeng magbabad sa bathtub. And pwedeng magkape o mag-tea. Ayan, nagti-tea na si Carol. Tapos, ito yung room namin. Bonggang-bongga ang room. Malaki yung kama. Parang mayaman. Sosyal. Look at our kama. And this is our TV. Ayan. Meron pa kaming kainan dyan. And here is the kamang sosyal. Okay. Good morning. It's already 12:14 here in New Zealand. We're here in Crown Plaza. Susunduin kami ng bus ng 1 a.m. Tapos mag-outlet kami ngayon. Tapos may after outlet, parang may dinner. Tapos balik na uli dito. Nakapaglibot na kami, umikot kami dun sa paligid dito. Maraming shoppingan, pero hindi pa kami ready. Dahil first day pa lang naman namin dito sa sa New Zealand. So mamaya uli Bye.
6,000. Oo, 6,000 na lang. Ito yung game TKI sa binili ni Dad ko sa makano. Sabi yan niya, ano yung nakapagkakan? 100 180 kesa punta.
It's for pickleball. Yeah, did you see that? tennis, pang pickleball. We're in the outlet. Gutom na kami kasi it's already, anong oras na? 2:32 ba? Ayan. Order na kami. Magkahiwalay kami ng food. Naaya kami ni Ate Nina kaso nawala naman sila doon. Kaya umorder na kami. Yan yung bilihan ng pagkain. Ayan. Maraming Pinoy dito. Yan. Daming tao kasi holiday. Monday, Easter Monday daw. Kaya holiday dito. Kaya sobrang dami ng tao dito sa outlet. Sobrang daming tao. Bonggang-bongga.
Pretty much every hour. Just if you look at a website called Fuller's, Fullers 360, that will give you all of the timetable there. Okay. We can talk about that if you need a hand.
And yeah,
So
umaisip pala
this
dyan.
road that we're on now, guys, we're just gonna.
We're going to eat dinner here in Marriott, Auckland. It's a sky tower. Maglakad lang kami papunta sa hotel. Eto, humihinga lang lola mo. Kulang na sa exercise. Matagal na walang zumba. So, we're going to lakad. Ayun si Alia at saka si Von. Ayun, sila Miss D, malayo na. Okay, mamaya na uli. Videoan ko siya uli kasi mas malapit. Diba? Ang ganda. Hello! Good morning! Pupunta kami ng ano ngayon, ng Habiton. 2.5 hours yung flight, yung biyahe namin. Nasa bus na kami. Wala pa sila Alia. Patating pa lang. So, doon kami ngayon mamaya. Ay, doon kami papunta. So, mamaya, tulog muna uli. Bye!
It was originally built in the 1990s to leave at 11:50. Does that?
We're here in Habiton. Picture. There's so many people here. Eh, mali ako. Bakit ako dito dumaan?
Once they finished, Peter Jackson, he took one look at the army boys and he said, you know what? You guys make
Yeah.
fantastic orcs. So he cast them as the Uruk-hai army in the Battle of Helm's Deep and the Lord of the Rings of Two Towers. Here's the problem. If you cast army boys as orcs in a fighting sequence, what do you think they're going to do? They're going to fight. So Peter Jackson had to... The gravel car park. You've never seen one of those before, have you? Now we call that Dusty Haven. That is the base camp of our maintenance crew. They're the people walking rooster. We named him Michael Jackson because he could moonwalk. So there you go. But also out to the left here, team, got this lovely paddock with our sheepies. That paddock is called base camp. That is where we kept all the humans. Some 400 casting.
You would like to hear this coming from you. But if you want to take photos, let's be honest, this is Hobbiton. You're not going to get photos anywhere else in the world. Okay, so take as many as you like. Just going to continue on to our next spot. Alright? The only thing that I'll just make sure you keep in mind, we're not going to go past that blue door just over there to the right. Okay? From the party the night before, let's see if I can do this right. You've got Feely, Keely, Oin, Gloin, Biffa, both the Bomba, Oin, Gloin, Nori, Balin, Gwalin, and Thorin. Of course, Gandalf all with them.
Upo ba yun?
That left contract for Bilbo to find. So he finds it, decides he's missing out. So he signs the contract. He runs out the door, down the hill, over a few bit closer. For now, here's a good question for you. You see the
Although
produce
lahat yun,
on top of the table, just here.
all the vegetable,
your hands up if you
it's
think that's real.
true. I mean,
Put your hands up if you think it's fake. Okay. Well, the stuff.
Yeah?
Look at the small utensils.
What can I do?
Ay, ang ganda dyan, Alia, oh.
Apple. Over here? Mag-asang.
Sam, these are real apples.
Yes, very real.
Ah, it's just a real apple.
They are real.
Wow, there's madaming
Sige, doon
bunga.
ka picture lang kita. Oh, hawakan mo kumari. Yan din natin. yung kakagat parang si Eva.
Ay, si Eva at
Ano
Adan.
siya? Sorry.
Ay, sorry.
Sorry. Bawal pala dun. Upo pa tayo sa spirit.
Back to their old home, okay? I was a waste of money. So, I want you to get your photo, buddy. Get excited.
Ang taba nung ano, oh. Gulay.
Naka-atlas ginamit yan.
Hindi siguro.
Hindi siguro.
Baka swire.
Magpaka-plastic ka naman kahit ngayon.
Mm. Wow, it's a tomato.
Yep,
A small tomato.
they're lovely, those ones.
Yeah.
The small ones are really intense flavour. You haven't finished cutting the wood? Yeah.
Yeah.
Layo na lang nakit natin. Ang taas na, oh.
Buti na hindi tayo umaura, Ate May. Magbubuts nga sana ako, nagbago isip ko.